Hi, garden friend. Today I'm at the Northwest Flower and Garden Show in Seattle, Washington, and I'm on the hunt for the newest gardening trends for 2026. So let's grow, shall we? Just look at this beautiful display garden. Now, this is from Hello Garden, and it's by Kate. And this beautiful greenhouse here is a lovely structure in this garden that's got many, many layers in it, as you can see. And down below here is this stone wall, and it's just gorgeous. But structures, water features, stone, and having pops of color seems to be the 2026 trend. Now here's the other side of this beautiful flower display by Hello Garden, and look at these beautiful pops of color along with the evergreens, and that beautiful greenhouse just is incredible. And Kate is here on the premises, and I got a chance to chat with her. Along this beautiful stone pathway is this fabulous water feature here, and look at all these pops of color here in this lovely little garden display. Oh my goodness, it's absolutely gorgeous. I love it. And here's just a little close-up shot of this lovely garden. But look at that water feature in this beautiful pathway. Those colors just really make you want to stop and take a closer look at this garden. This beautiful display highlights Pacific Northwest natives, not just in culture, but also in the plant material. This display highlights grasses, and look at that beautiful structure in the background, another beautiful, beautiful greenhouse. We have a coastal or a little bit of a beach theme here, and this circular area reminds me of the garden that I have at home, and it's got a corten steel surrounding this, where there's sand in the middle with this beautiful fire pit and some beach-themed items here. And this is just another way where you're actually seated inside the garden, similar to the one that I have at home. I can't believe it. And look at that beautiful olive tree there. Spectacular. And what a beautiful display this is here with pops of color, witch hazel, and that umbrella, both yellow. This is a spectacular garden too. Believe it or not, this beautiful archway and structure here on both sides is made out of willow canes and branches. And this ground cover here is spectacular, just showing that you can incorporate ground cover and low-growing plant material, such as these hellebores. They're my favorite. There's a reason that they call them winter jewels. But you can see even more structure here in this beautiful garden, too. Now look at this beautiful garden. This display garden is the theme where stories take root. And this beautiful structure with this fabulous garden in front is full of books inside this darling little, well, it's not so little, but it's kind of a shed, and it's totally Pacific Northwest style. It's like a handmade house, but look at all these colors in this gorgeous display garden. And once again, we see a reoccurring theme where we have water features and another structure so you can enjoy your outdoor living space. Look at these absolutely darling copper fairies. These would go perfect in your cottage garden, and they're super whimsical. It's gorgeous. And we have another water feature here. This seems to be a reoccurring theme in these beautiful gardens. Look at that. I'm telling you, this show has been spectacular. And here's an absolutely beautiful display for your living gardenscapes. Look at these beautifully put together pots in all sizes, shapes, and heights. You could add these to your balcony, your porch, your patio, and I think it is so inspiring.
What a pretty display with all of the food jars, the preserves. This is really cool. The effort that they do on these is just amazing.
Yeah, they really went to town.
Yeah, the little bee smoker and the beehives. Oh my gosh, yeah, oh my gosh, those are so pretty. So tell me about this azalea.
Well, this is just probably a regular azalea, but they also have encore azaleas. And they are not deciduous azaleas. They keep their leaves all winter. And I'm not sure if that's what this one is or not. And it might even rebloom, the encore azalea. It's kind of a new introduction. I hope this has inspired you today. I hope you're having a great gardening day.
What is it?
It's called Temple of Bloom.
Ah, Temple of Bloom.
And I'll catch you in the next one.